Hi there everybody, it's Lynnea, and I have another video for you using some new products from iCrafter from their August release. I'm using the Butterfly Burst die set, and I love this die set. There are a bunch of dies in here. The one that I'm going to be using today is this large butterfly cluster, but you can die cut individual butterflies if you want. Now I use the inner and outer die, and I cut the inner and then I cut the outer so that I could have a bunch of little butterflies with a little frame. Now the idea here is you can punch out all of these little pieces, but when I die cut them, they stayed together and I kind of really liked that look. So I'm going to show you, I set that aside because I was deciding if I wanted to go ahead and punch out all those little pieces or if I wanted to keep them together. So I decided to just work on my background. I'm taking a rainbow of iCrafter hybrid inks and I'm just going to swipe them across a white card panel. So I started with my pink that's candy coated, my orange is Mango Madness, I'm coming in with Lemon Drop Now, and then my green is Sparkling Apple, I have Tropical Pool, Sky Sail Blue, and Majestic Lilac. So as I got to the end here and I did my Sky Sail Blue, I realized purple always gets left out of my rainbow. I always seem to run out of room for purple. And I was kind of looking at this and I dragged my blue down a little bit too low and I had a bunch of white space left up by the pink. So I decided that's when I would bring in that purple, the Majestic Lilac, and do a stripe at the top. And I was going to do a stripe at the bottom and I thought better of it. I brought in the Tropical Pool and added that pool strip to the bottom. So now you can kind of start seeing the idea for my card, and I did decide to keep all the pieces inside. So I was determining the best way to keep all of these inlaid pieces that are meant to pop out, to keep them inside. So what I ended up doing was adding tape runner adhesive all over the back, and I just didn't honestly think that was going to be enough. So I came in with some liquid adhesive as well and made sure to push that adhesive all the way up to the edges to hold that frame in place, and then also kind of squished that around so that all my little pieces would stay in. Then I'm just going to flip that around and work with it as one large central focal point piece and adhere that onto my ink swiped striped background. So to finish off the card, I took some liquid shimmer and put that all over those Butterfly Burst die cuts. And then I stamped and white heat embossed a sentiment from the Scattered Thoughts stamp set. And I added that with foam onto my card. And I also embellished with some of these clear raised bubble embellishments. And that finishes my card. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you again very soon. Bye!